How to rejoin a Discord server that you've just left. First, you'll want to go to your Google Play Store or your iPhone App Store, then go to the search bar and find Discord. You're looking for a button that says Update. You'll want to update the Discord app to the latest version, or else this will not work. If it doesn't say Update, that means it's already updated to the latest version, so you can go ahead and just click on Open. So we're going ahead and leave this Lego server, Discord server, that I randomly joined, and go ahead and click on the three dots. Now I'm going to scroll down and click on Leave Server. Now that we have left our server, we want to rejoin it. So we'll go ahead and click on the green plus button on the left hand side of the very bottom, and it should say, Have an invite already? Join a server. You can go ahead and click on that option. If we have the invite link, simply paste in the invite link, and you'll be rejoined into the server. Or you can just type in the name of the server and then click on Join Server. As you can see, we have rejoined the Lego server. However, if you randomly get logged out of a Discord server, this could be cause of an app issue. So you should just sign out and sign back in. You can do this by going over here and scrolling down and clicking on the log out right over here. Then simply log back in. Then you can also do is offload the app or just clear the cache by clicking on the app, clicking on app info, and then scrolling to the bottom to storage usage. Over here, it says clear cache. Just make sure that you get that cleared, and that can also help you with rejoining the server.